Hey, welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to look at identifying functions. We are given two relations, relation A and relation B. Each is a set of ordered pairs, and we are to decide, are these relations functions or not functions? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mapping diagram because it will make it a little easier to visualize function or not function. So my inputs, also known as the domain, I am going to write in this rectangle. Okay, so I have -3, I have 4, 7, and 8. And then the range or outputs, that's a big G there. All right, let's see. I have a 2, I have 0, and I have a 1. I do not have to list this 2 because it repeats. So when x is -3, y is 2. When x is 4, y is 0. So far we're 1 to 1. When x is 7, y is 1. When x is 8, y is 2. Now we say, uh-oh, something repeated. Or did it? Well, after the dramatic pause, actually, no. Even though when you have a domain value for 8, an input of 8, you also get an output of 2. Every input gave its own output value. It is okay if the outputs repeat, but the inputs cannot repeat for this to be a function. Since no one input gave more than one output, we can conclude that this is a function. Function. All right, let's test this one. Domain. Let's draw our mapping diagram box. We have 4, 8, and these do not have to be in any order. 1. Now, 4 repeats, so I don't have to list it again. And 6. Okay, range. Okay, I have -1, 6. Now, -1's already listed. And we have +1, and then 6 repeats. So, when x is 4, y is -1. When x is 8, y is 6. When x is +1, y is -1. When x is 4, y is +1. And when x is 6, y is 6. Now, since this number 4, the input 4, gave two different outputs, -1 and +1, it is not a function. Not a function. So I hope this helps you in determining the difference between a function and not a function.